Standing Strong is a health communication program that aims to help seniors ages 65 and over reduce the falls that they may experience. Falls are a real deal. This isn't something that happens every once in a while, but this is something that happens frequently and affects many seniors. The threat of falling can be a barrier to safety and doing things that normally would be every day. In fact, more than one-third of all people ages 60 and older fall each year, and we aim to reduce that that rate of falls. Like I said, falls are common, and we see them happening all across the U.S. every single year. Now, I'd like you to all think about at least 10 seniors ages 65 and older that you know or interact with. I'll give you a few seconds. I'd like you to think of their names and their faces. Okay, and I hope you have in mind 10 seniors that you know, and with their faces and names in mind, think about this. It is likely that 4 of those 10 people will fall during this year, and 2 of them will fall multiple times and receive a serious injury. That is a tragedy we would like to avoid. Most falls happen within our own homes. This, in part, is due to seniors spending relatively more time within their homes. But there are definite reasons for these falls. You'll note that 55% of the falls happen in the bathroom, and 60% happen on stairs or uneven carpet due to tripping hazards. Other problem areas include the bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, and living room. Did you know that Idaho seniors have the resources to prevent falls? My work focuses on ensuring the safety of seniors so they can live in the comfort of their own homes. And some months ago, a woman came to us looking for help. In talking with her, I learned that she had been taken to the hospital by ambulance 3 times that month due to falls. This was not a new experience either. She had fallen previously, but until her doctor sat down with her to discuss the available fall risk prevention programs and resources, she had no idea where to go and where she could find help. The aim of Standing Strong is to arm our seniors and their family members with the knowledge of what they can do to prevent falls. I'd like you to all to meet May. May was a participant in a program aims that here in Idaho that aims to reduce falls, and she is a wonderful example of how finding the right program and resources can help each of us reduce falls and live stronger lives. May found a program that fits her and her needs, and it helped her to improve her lifestyle and remain active and doing the things that she loves. Along with the available programs and resources that are available here in Idaho, there is also the simple fall prevention checklist. If you want to reduce your fall risk, consider the following. You must exercise regularly to increase muscle strength and balance. Talk to your doctors and review the medication you're taking. Often, the side effects may cause dizziness or drowsiness, and this may lead to falls. Also, make sure that you have the necessary fall risk prevention stability alterations to your home. Make sure there's handrails and grab bars, especially in the areas such as around stairs or steps and in the bathrooms. Also, remove any tripping hazards that may be around your home. Rugs are common tripping hazards, but other things may include clutter that is around your walkways. Consider inserting a walk in tub and visit your eye doctor to make sure your vision does not impair your ability and your balance. And lastly, find out more. Visit our website. Go to our website and read about the fall prevention resources that are available and take full advantage of them. Learn how you and your loved ones can stand strong and prevent falls, and talk with your doctors about additional measures you can make to avoid falls.